Hi friends, for measurement today, you are going to be measuring your height compared to all of the other people in your family. So you'll need to borrow your family members just for a moment, and I'd like you to stand facing each other so you can figure out who's taller, who is shorter. I'm going to borrow Mr. Visconti for a moment so I can show you what we mean. Come on over, Mr. Visconti. So I want you to stand facing your family members, maybe your mom or your dad, your brother, your sister, and then with your hand, you can measure how far up you get on your family member. I can see with my hand, I get to about here on Mr. Visconti. He's taller than I am, right? Thanks, Mr. Visconti. You'll be doing that with each family member, and then you're going to fill in a paper that I've put on the website. All right, so the title is Taller and Shorter. And the first sentence says, I am taller than blank. So after you have measured yourself next to all of your family members, you can fill this in. I am taller than blank. Are you taller than a little brother or sister? Are you taller than your pet dog? If you are the shortest one in your family, this might be a little tricky, but I'll give you a hint. You can measure yourself next to your pet or a teddy bear or a special doll if you like. That way you'll have somebody that's shorter than you too. Okay, so in my family, I am taller than blank. Well, I'm taller than my daughter, so I could put my daughter's name there. Okay, let's see what the next sentence says. It says, I am shorter than blank. Who are you shorter than? Well, you saw when I measured with Mr. Visconti, I was shorter than Mr. Visconti, so I can put his name there. We'll see. Maybe you're shorter than your mom. Maybe you're shorter than your dad. Maybe you have an older brother or sister that's taller than you too. So you can decide who to put in there. Okay. Now the next part says, the tallest person in my family is blank. That's where you're going to figure out. You did all that measuring. Did you notice who was the tallest of all in your family? You put their name there. In our family, the tallest of all is my son, so I would put his name there. And the last sentence says, the shortest person in my family is blank. Are you the shortest person in your family? Is there someone shorter than you? This is where you put their name. So that's a fun measuring activity. You're going to do it with the members of your family. And remember, you can add a pet or a teddy bear if you want. Okay, have fun measuring.